It's so hard to properly clean the floor underneath this bed. It's too dark. Let me see if I've mopped enough. Oh my god, there's plenty of them and I have to mop it all over again.
It's so difficult to clean those windows. It's too far up. I'm way too lazy.
The problem statements are as such. The inability of the product to mop dirty substances that are too far to reach or located at narrow spots, the inability of the product to locate dirty substances at dark or dim places, and last but not least, the product at hand uses energy from the user in order to mop the dirty substances. This can result in the process of mopping to be very tiring.
An extension pole is added at the handle of the mop to give it the ability to extend itself. This is so that it is possible for the product to mop dirty substances that are located at difficult and tight spots. The user of this product can extend the mop by simply pulling the back half of the mop from the front half of the mop.
A DC motor is added between the handle and the head of the mop. This motor will be capable of spinning the head of the mop to scrub the dirty substances. The purpose of this new attachment is to avoid the user from using their own energy to scrub the dirty substances.
An LED light is added at the very end of the handle next to the head of the mop. This installation can enable the user of the product to mop at dark and dim places with ease. This LED light can be turned off and on by using a switch button located at the opposite end of the head of the mop.
The materials required to create the product are as shown in the table, which are a mop hat, an extension pole, 2 PVC, 4 meters of electrical wires, a Powerman LED light bulb, a light socket, a micro switch, an on and off switch, a DC motor, a 9-volt battery, and a battery holder. The total cost would be 58 ringgit and 4 cents.
In summary, the LumiClean is the best alternative to the regular old mop. This is due to the fact that it manages to tackle all 3 problem statements efficiently. Thus, it can be used as school grounds to easily and effectively clean the area.
That's all from us. Thank you. And remember, LumiClean, brilliantly clean every time.